What's going on, YouTube? You're watching ExquisiteMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell. Today, gonna be cleaning and then ceramic coating this Airstream. This Airstream is a couple of years old. Gonna be doing some TLC to it, and as you can see, it's in great condition, and we want to keep it that way. This is the results after a day's work, and just ceramic coated this Airstream. So as you can see, the results are phenomenal and of course exquisite.